Yo, podcast, what up? In this episode, I talk to you guys about the xFyro wireless earbuds and how much they cost, what they do, and so much more. So stay tuned to the episode, guys. Podcast, what up? In this episode, I talk to you about the brand new xFyro ARIA True Wireless Bluetooth earbuds, and it uses the most advanced audio technology for great listening on the go. They've raised over $2 million on Indiegogo. So if you're having a rough day or anything like that, these earbuds are the perfect ones for you. It has next generation sound that is tuned to perfection by sound engineers, plus an extra long playtime of 32 hours and a charging case that adds an extra 24 hours of listening time to your headphones. It's waterproof, dustproof, and it uses cutting edge Bluetooth 5.0 technology, so you can listen as soon as you put them on, thanks to auto pairing, and ambient noise cancellation shuts out distracting sounds. So if you guys want it, it usually costs $250, but right now I've posted the link where you guys can go and get it, and it only costs you $99. That's 60% off of the price that they've put on their website. So if you guys want it, I'll post a link down in the description. You guys can go and click on that link and get your headphones right now. So if you guys like this episode and you guys want to listen to us more, get these headphones right now so you can tune into the Daily Social podcast and much more episodes coming to you from the Daily Social podcast, and we will be gladly appreciated. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Hey guys, thanks for listening to episode 26 of the Daily Social podcast. Have a great day, guys, and make sure you tune into the next one.